So I fitted a side lever conversion kit to my RTI Priest, and in the kit you get a complete front block, cocking lever and the connecting rod. So you'll have to strip the down completely to replace the new block. Shroud is now secured either side on the block instead originally it was from the top. You also have to remove the spring from your connecting rod, which obviously originally kept the bolt pushed forward, so when you cock the gun it's open so you can load the magazine. On the cocking lever, nice little ball bearing catch there, so when it's pushed forward, locks into place, stops that wafting around in the breeze. Cocking now is somewhat easier. One finger, or two, whichever you prefer. You can either have that single or double on the lever. So cocking becomes somewhat easier, and it's a nice piece of engineering from RTI. Thanks for watching.